Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Python and this is introduction to this series and this course. So let's start. So first of all, have a look at the objectives. So Python's introduction, then we are going to talk about users of Python, then we will talk that what all we will cover in this course. And let's start. So if you have selected this course, then you must be knowing what Python is. If not, then I will tell you. So Python is a high-level programming language, and I swear it guides is very easy to learn. It's just as simple as learning as kidwaieacademy. Okay, it was generally created by Guido van Rossum and it was released first time in 1991. And one more point I wanted to tell you guys, but it was not much relevant to Python's introduction, so I mentioned it in different slide. So Python has a design philosophy that emphasizes code readability, notability using significant white spaces. So this means that Python's program take up very less time to work upon. Okay, now let's talk about why do people use Python or the users of Python. So because of software quality. I swear it guys, Python provides you a very interactive way to interact with Python. It have a beautiful GUI through which you can interact with Python. Another is developer productivity. Python provides you a way in which you can run your programs in even lesser time from programming languages like C, C++, Java. They take a long time and memory spaces to work upon. Okay, another is program portability. This means the program written on Python will work on every computer or on every system, or I should say operating system. Okay, and support libraries. Python provides you number of modules through which you can import those modules to work upon different things like Tkinter, which is a library used to make GUIs, and Turtle, which is used to make graphics, and component integration. So we will talk about this topic later. Now it is used by companies like Google, YouTube, NASA, and it is also make you use applications, web pages, artificial intelligence, and etc. So I wanted to say by this point that you have very good career opportunities when you use Python, and it is used to make almost everything, starting from web pages, applications, artificial intelligence, and whatnot. And last point, which is most important point is you will enjoy working on Python, guys. I swear it, guys, you will enjoy working on Python. So friends, now let's talk about what all we will cover in this course. So we will be covering all the basics of Python in this course, but I promise that a course on Python GUI, Python Turtle graphics, and Pygame will be released soon. So you must be thinking what Pygame is. So Pygame is a, let's say, module in Python through which you can make games on Python. So friends, this was enough for this video. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.